In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a board with a guest safely and correctly. To get started, open the board you want to share. Before you send any invitation, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct board and that it contains only the content you actually want the guest to see. This quick check can help prevent accidental oversharing and makes the rest of the process much smoother. Once you're inside the right board, look for the share or invite button. In most platforms, this is usually located near the top of the screen, often in the upper right area. Click that option to open the sharing settings. This is where you'll manage who can access the board and what they're allowed to do once they're inside. Next, enter the guest's email address in the invitation field. Be careful when typing this in because even a small typo could send the invite to the wrong person or delay access. If your platform suggests contacts automatically, double check that you've selected the correct recipient before moving on. If the platform offers a specific guest access option, choose that setting. This is an important step because guest access is typically designed for external collaborators who only need limited visibility. Using the guest option helps keep your broader workspace, team content, or private boards protected while still giving the person access to what they need. After that, set the permission level carefully. This part matters a lot. Depending on the platform, you may be able to choose whether the guest can view, comment, or edit. Think about the minimum level of access they need to complete their task. If they only need to review information, view-only access may be the safest choice. If they need to leave feedback, comment access might be better. Only allow editing if it's truly necessary. When everything looks correct, send the invite. At this point, the guest should receive an email invitation with instructions to access the board. If needed, you can let them know to check their inbox and spam folder in case the message doesn't appear right away. Finally, confirm that the guest can only access the intended board or content. This last check is essential for privacy and security. Review the sharing settings one more time and verify that no extra boards, folders, or workspace areas are included by mistake. That's it. By following these steps carefully, you can share a board with a guest in a controlled, professional, and secure way.